Hi, this is Komal from Ashirvad Jaipur. We are back with our new collections. All the designs we showcase is our own manufacturing, so we deal in both wholesale as well as retail. For any orders or queries, contact us on 96490 I repeat 96490 and our second number is 960226588. 960226588. You can inquire on both the numbers, but please one person should inquire on one number only. I am going to show you very nice collection this time. All in cottons. See, according to festive, kurtis in Leheria. This is pure cotton fabric with embroidery on the neck, block print all over the kurta, tassels on both the sides. You can see the tassels, heavy tassels on both the sides, embroidery on the sleeves as well. Sizes available are 38 to 46 and the price is 895. We have two colors in this, peach and yellow, and the price is 895. Again a kurti in Leheria. See the embroidery on the neck, tassels on both the sides. See the tassels. We have three colors in this, green, black and pink. So we have three colors. Sizes available are 38 to 46 and the price is 895. Again a kurti in Leheria. According to the festive, I am going to show you Leheria this time. See the embroidery on the neck, tassels on both the sides, two colors, blue and pink, embroidery on the sleeves as well. See the sleeves, two colors, blue and pink. Sizes available are 38 to 46 and the price is 895. Again a kurti in Leheria. See the embroidery with gota work on the neck, gota detailings all over the sides, on the bottom of the kurta, on the sleeves as well. We have three colors, orange, this is green and pink. So we have three colors in this. Sizes available are 38 to 44. We have till 44 in this and the price is 895. Again a bright Leheria kurti. See the handwork on the neck. In this we have tassels in the center. See the gota detailings on the sleeves. We have three colors in this, yellow, green and orange. Sizes available are 38 to 44 and the price is 895. All the kurtis are for 895. Now this is printed cotton suit. See the handwork on the neck. This is tube work with buttons in the center. See the gota detailings on the sides. Plain pants with this. Sizes available are 38 to 44 and the price is 1495. 1495. As many people are asking for printed suits, today I am going to show you many designs in this. Now this is a lurex fabric. See the kurta. There is little shine in the fabric as it is lurex. See the crochet detailings on the sleeves. And see the plazo. This is with embroidered plazo with crochet detailings. Sizes available are 38 to 44 and the price is 1595. Now this is a muslin kurta with gota patti work on the neck. This is a muslin fabric. See the gota detailings on the sides. Muslin pants along with this and muslin dupatta also with this. Sizes available are 38 to 46 and the price is 1795. Muslin dupatta also with this. Now this is a cotton suit. See the embroidery on the neck. cotton pants with this, with same fabric on the pants as well, with gota detailings, and cotton full dupatta with this, with these detailings, with these gota detailings. Sizes available are 38 to 46 and the price is 1595. Now this is again a muslin kurta. See the gota detailings on the neck, gota detailings on the sides. These are with these kind of pants. And pure chiffon dupatta with this, with these borders and gota detailings. Sizes available are 38 to 46 and the price is 1695. 1695 is the price. Now this is in Lehriya. See the Lehriya kurta with gota detailings on the neck. Pants along with this. These are a little loose pants. And chiffon dupatta. We have two colors in this, green and orange. Two bright colors in this. Sizes available are 38 to 46 and the price is 1595. 1595 is the price. Now this is again a printed kurta. See the embroidery on the neck. See the tassels on the sides, on both the sides, and printed pants with this. These are very nice suits for office purposes also, as these are simple printed suits. Looks very beautiful. So we have three colors in this: green, blue, and third is orange. So we have three colors in this. Sizes available are 38 to 46 and the price is 1495. Again a printed suit. See the work on the neck. This crochet detailings on the sides and striped pants with this. Again we have three colors in this: blue, yellow and peach. Sizes available are 38 to 46 and the price is 1495. Again a cotton block print kurta. This is full block print. See the pitta work on the neck, gota detailings on the sides, gota detailings on the bottom of the kurta, printed pants along with this, and printed full dupatta with this. See the printed full dupatta with this. We have two colors in this, pink and the second color is green. Sizes available are 38 to 44 and the price is 1595 is the price. This is again a cotton suit, grey color suit it is. Gota patti work on the neck. See the detailings on the bottom. Striped pants with this and cotton dupatta with this. And this is a full dupatta again. Sizes available are 38 to 44 and the price is 1495. 1495 is the price and the color is grey. This is again a printed kurta. See the pitta work on the neck. Gota detailings on the side slits. Plain pants with this. And see the dupatta with this. Kota Doria dupatta with print. Sizes available are 38 to 46 and the price is 1595. Now earlier I showed you yellow color in this. Many people were demanding for the color. So this is bandi print with gota patti work on the neck, gota detailings on the bottom of the kurta with crochet detailings, plain pants with this printed, and dupatta with crochet detailings. Full dupatta it is. So we have two colors in this, pink and peach, and earlier I showed you yellow. This is peach. Sizes available are 38 to 44 and the price is $17.95. Now this is a rayon fabric, but this is a heavy rayon. See the work on the neck. This is all embroidery. Embroidery all over the kurta. See the embroidery on the sides. Pants has also got this embroidery at the bottom. And pure chiffon dupatta with embroidery all over the sides. See the dupatta. Sizes available are 38 to 46 and the price is $17.95. $17.95 is the price. We have one more design in this. This is again a rayon fabric. See the embroidery on the neck. Embroidery on the sides. Pants has also got embroidery. And pure chiffon dupatta with embroidery all over the borders. See. Sizes available are 38 to 46 and the price is $17.95. Again a cotton bandhni print kurta. See the crochet detailings with mirror work in the center. Crochet detailings on the bottom of the kurta. Crochet detailings on the pants as well. And dupatta with crochet detailings. We have three colors in this. Peach, green, and the third is blue. So we have three colors in this. Sizes available are 38 to 44 and the price is $16.95. $16.95 is the price. Now see this kurta. This is all handwork on this. Tube work all over the kurta on the flowers. These are the plain pants with this and cotton dupatta. Sizes available are 38 to 44 and the price is $17.95. Now this is a straight kurta. Short kurta it is. Pure muslin fabric with gota detailings on the sides, gota detailings on the center. Pure muslin printed sharara with this. Pure muslin fabric it is. And pure muslin dupatta with this. Stroll dupatta it is, not a full dupatta. Sizes available are 38 to 44 and the price is $21.95 and this is light grey color. Now this is a melange fabric. This is a blue color. See the gota patti work on the neck. Gota work all over the kurta. These are the pants with this. And pure chiffon dupatta with this with gota detailings. See the dupatta. We have four colors in this. This is blue, green, this is purple color, and fourth is this mustard color. So we have four colors in this. Sizes available are 38 to 46 and the price is, just a second, the price is $24.95. Now I'll show you all the dresses. Now this is a long dress. See the flare in this? Full flare dress it is. See the work on the neck. Embroidery. Tassels on the sides. On both the sides. And see the flare. Like these are the pleats at the bottom. And gota detailings all over the dress. Sizes available are 38 to 46 and the price is 1495. This is again a dress. Bright colors for this festive season with complete handwork on the neck with these ties to tie. See the dress. We have two colors in this. Embroidery is there on the sleeves also. Have a look at the sleeves. We have two colors in this, pink and orange with yellow combination. Both the colors are very bright and beautiful. Sizes available are 38 to 46 and the price is 1495. Again, this is a dress. This is malmal fabric. See the work on the neck. Gota detailings on the center. Work at the bottom also. Again, the flare is very nice in this. Tassels also in this on both the sides. Very nice bright pink color. We have two colors in this dress, pink and yellow. Sizes available are 38 to 46 and the price is 1595. Now this we have restocked after huge demand. People were asking for more colors in this. I was wearing pink and we had green and brown earlier. This is blue this time. See the embroidery on the neck, embroidery all over the kurta. These are the pants with this. I'll show you. These are the pants with this lace at the bottom. And we have two colors, blue and second is yellow. Sizes available are 38 to 46 and the price is 1695. This is again a full dress. See the Jaipuri print in this. See the gota detailings on the neck, gota detailings on the bottom of the kurta. Full flared dress it is. Gota detailings on the sleeves and the dupatta. So this is just a dress and dupatta. The dress length is 52-53 in this and kota roriya dupatta. Sizes available are 38 to 44 and the price is 1895. Now this is a muslin fabric. See the muslin dress in bright yellow color. See the gota detailings on the center, gota detailings on the bottom of the kurta, and see the dupatta. See the beautiful dupatta, contrast dupatta with gota detailings. Sizes available are 38 to 46 and the price is 2195. 2195 is the price. This also now we have restocked after huge demand. People were asking for this dress a lot, but we had to cancel the order as this was in production. Now we have this ready stock. See the embroidery on the neck. Gota detailings on the bottom of the kurta. See the sleeves. We have these plain pants with this and the dupatta. Chanderi dupatta with this. Dual shade dupatta. Sizes available are 38 to 44 and the price is 1895. Now this is a bani dress. See the embroidery on the neck with crochet detailings. Crochet detailings on the bottom of the kurta. These are the plain pants with this. And the kota doriya dupatta. This is a stroll dupatta, not a full dupatta. Dual shade dupatta. Now we have three colors in this, yellow. This is a dress and the dress length is 50. Yellow, pink and green. Three colors in this. Sizes available are 38 to 44 and the price is 1795. Now this is again a full dress. See the flare. See the flare of the dress. This is Angrakha pattern. See the design. This is complete Angrakha pattern. See the gota work on the neck. This is with hand work on the top. crochet detailings on the bottom of the dress. These are the printed pants with this, and crochet detailings on the dupatta. See the dupatta. This is stroll dupatta. Sizes available are 38 to 44 and the price is 2195. Now this is a rayon fabric dress. See the complete handwork on the neck. Gota detailings on the bottom of the kurta. These are the printed pants with this. And this is the dupatta with this. This is a full dupatta with borders and print all over the kurta. Dupatta. Sizes available are 38 to 44 and the price is 1895. This again we have restocked after huge demand. Many people were asking for this. See the embroidery on the neck. Dress, and the dress length is 50. Gota detailings on the bottom. These are the sleeves. Plain pants with this. And pure chiffon dual shade dupatta. See the dupatta. Sizes available are 38 to 44 and the price is 1795. 1795 is the price. Now this is in cotton. See the bandi print kurta with complete pure gota work it is on the top. Pure gota work. Gota detailings on the center. Gota detailings on the bottom of the kurta. These are the plain pants with this, and see the lehriya dupatta with this. Very nice combination of bandage and lehriya. See the lehriya dupatta with this. This is the gota work on the sleeves. We have 3 colors in this yellow. All the 3 colors are very nice. Bright blue and pink. So all the 3 colors are very nice. Sizes available are 38 to 44 and the price is 1895. Now I'll show you the variety in kaftan. Today I've got huge variety for you. Now see, this is a designer kaftan. See the sleeves, these are the designer sleeves. This is georgette fabric. Inner is there with this. This is the inner. See the designer kaftan. This is like this with designer sleeves. We have 2 colors in this, beige and this is blue. So we have 2 colors in this. Sizes available are 38 to 44 and the price is 1595. See the back. Now this is a lehriya kaftan with complete handwork and gota work on the neck. See the beautiful neck in this. Gota detailings on the sides with this pom-pom lace. And I'll show you the pants with this. See the pants. White colored pants with this lace. And we have 3 colors in this. Pink. Second is this yellow. And third is peach. So we have 3 colors in this. Sizes available are 38 to 44 and the price is 1795. 1795 is the price. Again a black color kaftan, cotton. See the handwork on the neck. This is all the print with crochet detailings on the sides. And I'll show you the pants with this, with crochet detailings. See, this is the pant with this, with complete crochet work. So sizes available are 38 to 44 and the price is 1695. Pure muslin fabric kaftan. I was having a huge demand for the green color. This time we are launching pink and blue. See, this is a pure muslin fabric kaftan with complete handwork, gota work on the neck. See the gota detailings on the sides and this crochet lace at the bottom of the kaftan. We have 2 colors in this, and the pants also I'll show you. These are the pants. See the crochet work on the pants. We have 2 colors in this, pink and blue. Sizes available are 38 to 44 and the price is 2295. 2295 is the price. We have more kaftans to show. This is again a cotton Lehriya kaftan. See the handwork on the neck with this on the center. See the sides with pom-pom lace. Blue color Lehriya with pants. I'll show you the pants with this. These are the pants with this, with crochet detailings. We have two colors in this, blue and pink. Sizes available are 38 to 44 and the price is $15.95. Now this is again a printed kaftan. See the nice Jaipuri print in this. We are having a huge variety of kaftans and huge demand also for kaftan. Everybody nowadays is asking for kaftans, so showing you many designs. This is the crochet lace on the center. Crochet details on the sides. These are the pants. Sizes available are 38 to 44 and the price is $14.95. Pure Jaipuri. Again a Jaipuri print with this gota detailings and this embroidery on the neck. See the gota detailings on the sides. This is again a kaftan. These are the pants with this. Sizes available are 38 to 44 and the price is $16.95. Again a Jaipuri print kaftan. See the crochet detailings in the center. These tie-ups in the center. These are the crochet detailings and gota detailings on the sides. And again, these are the pants with this, with the crochet and gota detailings. Sizes available are 38 to 44 and the price is $14.95. And at the end, the one I'm wearing, see the beautiful Lehriya Sharara and kurta. I'll show you. We have two colors in this. This is a yellow color kurta with gotapati work on the neck. This is pure Jaipuri gota work with Lehriya. See the gota detailings on the center. See the bottom of the kurta. This is the heavy sharara with this, with gota detailings. And see the contrast dupatta. So yellow with red combination. Just for this festive season. Very nice combination it is. And the second one is pink with yellow. The one I am wearing is pink kurta and with the yellow dupatta. So two colors in this. Sizes available are 38 to 44 and the price is $21.95. $21.95 is the price. So that's all for today. Thank you so much everyone. Please inquire on both the numbers, but one person should inquire on one number only. Thank you so much. Please book as soon as possible as we are here with very limited stock and I am supplying to many of the wholesalers, many wholesalers worldwide. Thank you so much for your love and support.